Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to apply filters and effects in Fotor. Fotor is just as important as capturing them, and it is a simple yet powerful editing tool that helps you enhance images with just a few clicks. Whether you're creating content for social media or improving personal photos, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know. So first you need to launch your Fotor and upload your photo. So start by opening your Fotor on your device or through your web browser as well. Over here what you can do is you can also continue with the unsaved images if you want to resume to this editing. In order to apply the filters and effects, you can simply continue it over here. Over here on the bottom we can find this icons. What you can do is slide a bit down until you find to this effects here. Tap on the effects here, and under this effect what you can do is you can select your effect as per your preferences as well, and after that you can tap on the check mark on the bottom right after you're done with the effect. And in order to apply your filters, what you can do is again on the bottom slide a bit until you find this filters here. Tap on the filters in order to apply it. You can browse to the available filters and click on any of the filter to apply it instantly, and each filter creates a unique look. And after that you can tap on the bottom right corner again, and that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you.